now that we have our roux going and it's all ready, just about the right color, the blonde, I'll show you what to do from here. So you want to cut your heat off completely on here, just remove the pan if you'd like. And then what we want to do is take some of that liquid that's from our scallops and just pour that in. Try not to get any scallops in there, if not we can always pick them out, no problem. This is home cooking. Take that out. As I said, it's got any scallop in there, we can just go ahead and take that out. Probably wouldn't be a catastrophe anyway, but let's go ahead and take it out. And then what we're going to do is add our cream to it. This is going to make our white sauce for our Saint Jacques. Blend that together. I like to stir it in first, and then we can use our whisk to really make it smooth.